Ano po bang aming value proposition? Ang Kaiser International Health Group is a top-tier HMO or health maintenance organization that offers high-quality, comprehensive short-term healthcare solutions to a diverse range of clients, including large government groups. It is also the only provider of long-term healthcare solutions. Ang Kaiser National Healthcare Shield naman po is designed to cater to the needs of government employees and designed to provide benefits even for high-risk cases including pregnant women, senior citizens, and persons with disabilities. Ang ating Kaiser National Healthcare Shield provides a 5-point healthcare program with outpatient benefits, inpatient benefits, emergency care benefit, annual physical exam, and dental benefit. And hindi lang po yon, meron din po tayong kasamang financial care benefit para sa principal member natin in the event of death and dismemberment.